Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're back at our channel. Today, unfortunately, actually yesterday, I got a nasty cold. So now we're testing out that rapid test COVID-19 antigen. So my school gave it, but you can get it from your local pharmacy, and you can buy it from few pharmacy stores. So I'll introduce you to the materials. Okay, these are the tubes and the caps. Here's the I think it's called like the tube holder. You have to put it. And here is the swab. I think, yeah, there's two of them. Yeah, there's two swabs. And here is assay buffler. And what is this one? Oh, okay. These are the test devices. Step 1. Before collecting the sample, place the extraction tube into the tube so it stands upright. Okay. The tube. Let me take one tube. Okay, here you look. Like this. You guys can see. So yeah, I'm putting it here. Okay. Step 2. Empty the entire contents of one single extraction buffler into the extraction tube. So you have to empty the entire buffler tube. So let's twist it and open one and put it inside here. So let's put the buffer into the tube just in case it might spill. So little bit I used the help of my mother. So let's continue. Step 2, I think. Option A, nasal swab. Option 2, nasal swab. We're doing a nasal swab because that's for kids. And the nasal swab is for adults. Nasopharyngeal. So, tilt patient's head back 70 degrees. Insert the swab through the anterior nares in contact with the nasal spectrum at least 0.5 inches inside the nostril until mild resistance is encountered at the middle turbinate. So, okay, let's move on to the next one because we're going to do it at the end. So, using a circular motion, the nasal orifice should be swabbed. Using a circular motion, the nasal orifice should be swabbed for a maximum of 5 seconds. Yes, but you have to do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then squeeze it and then do it again like 10 times. 10 times that's 20. So the next one, compress the nostril, the fingers to trap the swab and rotate the tip for a maximum of 5 seconds. Yeah. Remove and repeat other nostril with the same swab. Insert the swab with the collected specimen into the extraction tube. Swirl the swab, mixing while squeeze the swab 10 to 15 times by compressing walls of the tube against the wall. With the swab still inside securely, place the extraction tube upright into the tube stand. Let the swab stand into the solution for 2 minutes. So this is the swab. Ooh, so sticky. So for mostly you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then press and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and then you should do the other one and do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do it for real now, I guess. Okay, so tickles kind of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to close it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to do the other nose. Okay. You have to do it upwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're done. Now we have to put it inside. Let's see what you have to do. Then you have to squeeze it. Okay. And then we have to wait for 2 minutes. Okay, let's take it and squeeze it. Okay, once you're done squeezing, it said that put it in the solution for 2 minutes. We'll be back after a 2 minutes break. Bye. So we have to squeeze it as much as possible to get the results. And now we have to put it back and throw it in the garbage. Now we have to put the cap in. Now you have to just give it a little squeeze inside just to make sure. And now for the big moment, the test device. Okay, now we're gonna so we have to put 3 drops in here. So 1, okay, one last one. There you go. But actually you have to wait for 15, so that's not all. So after 15 minutes, you have to check which the lines are. If you get, there's 2 letters, C and T. If you get 1 red line on C, you're negative. So if you get 2 lines on C and T, then you're considered positive. But don't worry if you're positive. Just stay home and relax and have some healthy fruits. And maybe, just maybe, as soon as possible as you healed, you have to get the vaccine. So subscribe, like, and share my videos to get more likes and subscribes. And let's hit the goal to 1,000 subscribers. So see on and share this video because we need to get ready and we need to get prepared to stop this pandemic. So bye, share this video, like it, and tap the bell down below to get my new videos and notifications. Bye.